Hello and welcome to Stockwatch, presented by me, Evan Lucas, for Go Market Securities. As always, please have a very good read through of the disclaimer on screen. Everything in this video is general in nature, none of it relied upon as any form of personal advice. Go Market Securities does not know your personal scenario, nor your personal financial goals, and therefore none of it relied upon as any form of advice at all. It is just general in nature only. Something that is going to start happening over the next couple of months, AGM season, but also it's takeover season. And I think you need to really remember what happens when you look at stocks and equities around takeovers and how do you identify them. First and foremost, it's very, very hard. That needs to be put out there very clearly. It is very hard to identify what will be taken over and what won't, because clearly the takeover target is the one that's going to pop on you. The takeover person is the one that's likely going to fall. But at the moment, there is certainly a trend that is building. If you are a greenfields or brownfields mining player that can show that it's obviously on the way up, is in the area of lithium, nickel, or even coal, you're on the block in a good way. And you have a look at the moment, Peabody, the big American player, they are out there picking up mid and small cap miners in that space. And that certainly is likely to continue because at the moment, the market is down, price on those are up, and the price on the share is not necessarily representing the overall value of the company. And therefore a Peabody, a Glencore, a BHP or a Rio, these big end of town players can pick up really good assets at cheaper prices in their view. And that needs to be part of your thinking. It is that kind of market where all of a sudden it is time for those bigger end of players that can get through these kinds of problems very, very easily to start asking the question, can we start actually issuing out capital? And their answer is probably yes. And that's why when you go through these periods, takeovers are a very interesting, exciting period of the market.